Yo, what's up mga ka-treasure? So, meron tayong bagong TCG na gustong subukan. Itong Magic the Gathering. So, matagal na natin nakikita to sa internet. Pero, ngayon lang natin siya susubukan kasi noon tingin ko pang mayaman to eh. So, madami na siyang variant like Yu-Gi-Oh! So, let's check kung ano bang meron dito. So, open na natin tong ating first pack ng Magic the Gathering. So, let's go! So, ikat na natin to for us to check kung may good hit ba tayong nakuha dito sa first try natin ng Magic the Gathering. So, ayan na. Bukas na siya and let's pull it out dito sa TCG pack. So, ayan. So, the first card na meron tayo is, well, technically common agad yan. So, ito yung first card. Second is an instant spell, I think. Then, creature. Pero I think common lang yan. Dragon. So, comment down below if meron akong nakuhang maganda. I really don't know the mechanics of what are good cards in Magic the Gathering eh. So, bago lang to sa akin. So, please let me know kung I pull something nice. So, ito ay enchantment. Then, land. And another creature. So, ayan yung ating mga nakuha dito sa first try natin and hopefully makabuo tayo ng deck kasi sa Alabang, dun sa festival na binilan ko, may mga naglalaro. So, I want to try. So, ito yung last card, Shining Shimmering Splendid. And, ayan, land. And then the token. So, ayun lang guys, na-share ko lang yung first try natin ng Magic the Gathering. So, hopefully, makabuo tayo ng deck. And makakuha tayo ng talagang solid hit for Magic the Gathering. Yun lang.